Good morning, Marcus.
Morning, Tito Anton. Morning.
Morning.
Morning, Tito Anton. Morning.
Morning. How old are you now, Marcus?
I am 10 years old.
10 years old ka na.
I am very.
Very good na.
I am very.
Nag-i-school ka na ba?
I am very.
Nag-i-school ka ba? Nag-i-school ka?
Apa?
Where?
Ano, spec ko to.
Spec? Sped? Saan ka
May
nag-i-school?
sugat lang. Yeah.
Saan ka nag-i-school?
Yeah.
Ano pangalan ng school mo?
Tita Baby.
Ano pangalan ng school?
Tita Baby.
Pangalan ng teacher mo yon. Ay, yung school. Yoko na naman. Yoko na naman ng sigaw. Yan mo ng boses mo.